Hi and welcome to the Classical Guitar Playground. In this video I'm going to cover the basic notes on the 4th, 5th and 6th string, or the bass strings. In my previous sight reading video I covered some important points that you need to be familiar with. I will leave a link in the description to that video and I recommend that you check it out. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now on the open 4th string we have the note D, and it's placed directly under the first line on the notation staff. Next we have the note E on 2nd fret. It is placed on the first line on the notation staff. And then we have the note F, 3rd fret, which is placed in the first space in the notation staff. And now for the open 5th string we have the note A. It is placed on the 2nd ledger line beneath the notation staff. Next on the 5th string, 2nd fret, we have the note B. It is placed directly under the 1st ledger line. Then the 3rd note on the 3rd fret, we call C. It is placed directly onto the 1st ledger line. And now the open 6th string, or the note E. It is placed directly under the 3rd ledger line in the notation staff. And then we have the note F on the 1st fret, 6th string. It is placed directly on top of the 3rd ledger line in the notation staff. And then we have the note G on the 3rd fret, which is directly under the 2nd ledger line in the notation staff. And now let's do some sight reading exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was this video valuable to you? If so, then I invite you to hit the like and subscribe button. And thank you for watching.